Oh. Shoot, okay. Oh, shoot. So, Joyce, you have it? Our ball. Okay.
Hey, look.
Okay.
Hey.
No. Come on, Alexa. Emma, it's you. Emma! Oh, sorry. That was crazy.
Got you too? No.
Emma? That was good. Crazy. Oh, good job. Wait, how's your skin? Ever since I got here, it's been really itchy. Oh shoot. Run it! Run with her! I gotta get her. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Good shot. Man on! Turn around, pass it. Yep. Blue. I throw it?
Blue.
Shoot. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna throw it. I'll let run it. Turn around. That was good. Yay. Turn it around. Nice. I'll throw it in, okay? You run it. Thanks. Sorry. Pass. You got it? Fine, man on. Get on it. Good control.
Same ball, same ball.
Yeah, I didn't get good control. I think I got front. There's 3. Nice. Good job, kid.
Defense, alcohol! Defense, alcohol!
Get in front of her. I got it.
Defense!
Run it!
Get it back!
Nice, Alexa. Damn. Ref got it. Thank you. Nice. Ryan Lily. Nice. Turn around, Alexa. Keep going.
Play the whistle, girl!
Oh my gosh. Run it, Audrey. That was my fault. Nice. Julie! My hair. Shoot. Shoot the ball, shoot the ball. Okay. Oh gosh. Nice, Charlotte. Drop. Oh my god. That was my fault. Okay. Oh, sorry. I didn't hear that.
Why does your shoe always untie in the games? So my voice been cracking up this whole game.
Okay, it's not even in, bro. Alexa, pass it back. Nice, nice, nice. Don't let her turn. Nice turn. That's out. Man on! Pass back, pass back, pass back.
I love it, this throwing. Okay, full kick on the quarter. Yeah. Water breaks.
I think Joyce still has it. Help her!
Smells pizza.
Smells good.
Good one.
Yay! Joss! Kick it! Run it, Audrey! Nice!
Okay. You can't lose your footboard. It's got the. Okay, thank you.
Michaela! Win it!
Let's go, Liza. Come out, Emma! God. Get in front. Send it! Nice, Joss.
Keeper, go back.
Oh, too hard. Good job, Joss. Too hard.
My voice is getting scratchy.
You watch her? I got it.
Liza, get ready.
Behind.
Yes, let's go.
Nice, Lynn. Don't let her. Get closer. Run it!
Too much. Oh. Elijah!
Nice, Emma. Good job, Emma.
Oh, beautiful work.
You good, Emma? Good job, Eliza. You good? Good job.
You guys got work to do though, boy.
Yep. Nice. That was close. That's nice.
Hey, watch it here, Audrey, watch it here.
Elijah!
No, I need
Watch
to.
the bounce.
Okay. Nice. It's green.
That's back. Yeah, you want to have enough time to watch the bounce, okay? Let Audrey cover her.
Okay.
Because if she loses, then it's up to you, okay?
Josh, not directly to the players. Emma! Oh my. Off. So you got it. I'm trying to kind of do like that. Oh. Right on. It's just my bow. It fell off.
On that side. The other side.
That's open.
Help her! Help her! Ooh, there she is. I got it, you got it? You got it, that's you. Oh, okay, yeah, never mind. I think so. It's okay. Nice, Arlette. Can we go tonight? That song stuck in my head. Just I've been
Everyone's got it.
30 seconds till half. 30 seconds.
Ooh. It's okay. Yeah, that was good. That was good.
That's out. My voice is really cracking up.
Nice lad.
I slept late last night.
Oh shoot. You got it. You got it.
Just what? Eliza!
Try it. Try it. Nice. Turn around. Turn around. Same team. You got me. Go somewhere, but yeah, it's happening.
Win it.
Menon. Here. Ah! It's yours. I hate my left foot. Ugh.
It's out. Ball's out.
Okay, the ball was out. Blue throw, our throw, guys. By the way, guys, if you guys want to know who I am, number 4, right there. Wait for him. Oh. Hey guys, we're just currently streaming. Regular team. I'll throw it. Let me throw it. Oh.
Well, I don't blow.
Okay, ball out. Oh,
I don't blow. Green ball. Wait, Lukey, what did you have it as?
blue ball.
Blue ball. Oh, wait. Blue ball.
To the box. Good job.
Goal kick.
Times chopper. Yeah. Kind of, but not really. Yeah. Wait until everyone's out of the box. Wait. Yes.
Guys, I'm so tired. That's okay though, because this is our last half. We're gonna have 2 water breaks.
Are you okay, Lisa? Only take on one. I'm trying to. Okay. Get that. I can't tell.
Corner.
Wow. Okay, guys. You guys got a marathon.
Who got the last two? 7, you the ball.
What is the score? 5? I don't know how we're gonna win this.
Hey,
Yeah. Bro, she fucking like hit me like that. She should have went like that.
Girls kept doing this to Eliza, going like that to other people.
Yay!
Yeah, high five.
Okay.
Yeah, it stings.
Damn, she's trying to get out.
I don't want the white to show. She straight up like kicked me.
I mean, she almost.
I should just go.
Pulled that practice hurt, but her leg wouldn't let her.
Okay.
Her leg is hurt, obviously.
God, ow. Oh my god. Oh my god. They straight up kicked me.
Bro, they freaking like.
Yeah, they were.
Sophia, stay in.
Huh? I'm fine.
Yeah, but later.
What am I?
Let's stay in Joyce. Play super.
Wait, what?
Who wants the mic?
You want to play super?
Who wants the mic?
Alright, then play
I don't
super.
want it no more. Sophie, do you want the mic?
Play for Alexa.
Wait. It's like, I'm putting your sleeper.
Okay, está adentro.
I got it.
Wait, so.
Center man, same position.
Wait, I'm-
in. Striker.
Come on, we gotta get on the field. Let's
Let's go. Bella, come on, let's go, girl. Come on, let's go.
Come on, 3.
That's right. Hey, go.
Let's start.
We don't give up. Let's go.
Come on.
Go ahead. Come on.
Hey, somebody.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
We are the Lightning. 1, 2, 3, down.
Oh my god. Bro, cause she f***ing went like that and then like she straight up stayed out. Yes, that's what she did.
like that.
Oh, yes.
Yo? Nah.
Okay, let's go, 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 go. Wait, hold it.
Don't let your player away. Let him go. Don't stop it. Go back.
Hit me. Not hit me, but she like, he stepped on my foot. Nice, Kay. Good, Kay. Oh shit, what the hell? I'm not sure.
Good. Nice, Kay. Careful, careful. Turn around. Good, good, good. Okay, no, okay. Let it out. Good job.
Ow, dude. No, she straight up like, she stepped on my foot so hard.
Nice, Emma.
Just come on, you have one.
Doing really good though. Okay.
Blue, blue.
Good. Other one. Huh? No, she couldn't. She was too up. It's okay. Emma, next time kind of stay a little back, okay? Huh? Dive. No, I think she was too up. So Emma, kind of stay a little more back, okay? So you can get the ball. Yeah, it's okay. You did good though.
Push him up, Arlene, push him up, let's go.
Oh, that was my girl. Whatever. Nice. Go in. Pass it, Joyce. Control. Help her, Bella. Pass back, pass back. Throw it in.
You got her leg. They're calling you, look up.
I wonder how far I could go. Man on, let. Nice let.
Push him up, Arlene. Push him up, Arlene. Hold it, Jocelyn.
You good? Okay. Good job. That was good. Help her. Pass back, Audrey. You need it. Okay, that was you. Help her. Okay, don't just kick it. Good job. Are you okay, Arlette? Good? Oh, sorry.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Come on. Oh. Ow. Nice, Emma. Man, this leg's killing me. Man on! Guys, someone needs to be in the middle! Nice, Joss. Help her. Spin on. Nice. Got you. Run it out. That was good, Audrey. Audrey, you're okay? That was a bad hit.
When you're ready. When you're ready.
Come on, girls.
2 minutes.
Here. Quickly. Man on. You okay? Oh! That was on my left. No way. Nice left. Good. Okay, that was good.
Thank you. We'll take it.
Is that Bill's? Oh. To Bella. Dang. That was way better. Nice, Bella. Good job, Audrey. Good job, Kay. Nice. Come on, Janita. Hey, Joss. Yeah, back!
got 30 seconds.
Right here. You want to kick? Yeah.
Guys, let's get
Hopefully.
And I get
Oh, that was. It's okay. You got it to Jaws. Behind. Where's the ball?
Oh, my hair.